Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Phonics Online. You are doing a Phase 3 phonics lesson today, and we are going to be learning 3 digraphs. We are going to be learning the R, the OR, and the sound today. Okay, so once you have your Phase 3 sound mat with you, if you have one, your whiteboard, a pen, and a rubber, we can get started. Okay, so we're just going to do a quick revision to get us started. We are going to do 5 in 50. So as usual, I'm going to put 50 seconds on the clock. And I would like you to name, first of all, 5 words, if you can, with the E sound in them. So that's E here, you can see E sound. 5 words with the E sound in them. 50 seconds and go. Okay, that's half your time. You need 5 words. Ten seconds left. And stop. Okay, well done if you got 5 words. I'm going to give you some examples here of words that you could have chosen. So, underneath there, we've got some words here. These all have the E sound in them. We have B, C, heel, seed, jeep, need, feet, deep, feel, and free. Okay, there are plenty more words than that. So if you've got some different ones, that's okay. You don't have to have the ones that are the same. But if you've got 5 words in the 50 seconds, give yourself 1 tick on your whiteboard. Okay, we're going to play again. This time we are going to do 5 words with the oi sound. So it's the oi sound here that you're looking for. 5 words, off you go. 15 seconds left. And stop. Okay, let's have a look. So you needed to get 5 words. 5 words with the oi sound. Okay, here are some words with the oi sound. Again, if you've got different ones, that's okay. So here we have coin, we have soil, we have coil, we have oil, we have point, and we have boil. As you can see, the digraph is already coloured in red here for you. And if you've got any different words and you want to check the spelling, just check with your teacher. Okay, if you've got 5 words, give yourself a tick on your whiteboard. That's 2 dojos possibly already. Okay, let's move on to our digraphs that we're learning today. Okay, so as usual, a digraph, good morning, is 2 letters that make 1 sound. Let's say it all together, okay? It's 2 letters that make 1 sound, okay? Let's have a little look at the digraphs we're learning today. So we have the R sound, we have the OR sound, and we have the sound. Okay, so to get us started today, because they're quite similar sounds, we're going to go through each one together. Okay, so 6 pictures. We're going to start with this one, which of course is a star. Okay, so we're going to blend and segment them together. So let's segment it. Star. Okay, let's count the sounds. Star. That's 3 sounds in the word star. Have a go at writing it. Okay, and I'm going to write it down here for you so you can see if you spelled it correctly. Star with the digraph at the end there. Okay, nice and easy one next. Car. We'll segment it quickly. Car. Okay, so let's do the sounds. Car. 2 sounds. Okay, write it on your whiteboards. And like I said, that one's nice and easy. With a curly K. Car. There we go. Well done if you got those 2 correct. All right, now we're moving on to our OR sound here. Our OR sound. And the first word we have here is torch. So let's sound it out. So torch. Okay, let's count the sounds. Torch. 3 sounds, but how many letters? Have a go at writing it on your whiteboard. Okay, so I'm going to write it or ch. So there's actually 2 digraphs in that words, guys. Let's look, see. So we've got or, and then ch. Well done to you if you got that one correct. Okay, moving on to the next one, which is a fork. So hands together. Let's do this together. Make sure you're joining in because it's just important for you to see me say the word, but for you to hear it and say it yourself. Okay, so make sure you are joining in. All right, hands together. Fork. Okay, let's count the sounds. Fork. Again, 3 sounds. Write it on your whiteboard. Okay, here we go. Let's put it here. So check. So what you're doing is assessing your own work here because you can see my spelling and you can check it against yours to see if you did it correctly. So add in the sound buttons. We have fork. Okay, well done to you if you got those ones correct. Right, moving on here to This is the sound. The first picture we have here is of a mixer. Okay, it's a mixer. Now, quite often we find at the end of a word. So let's sound this one out. X. Mixer. Let's count the sounds. X. Mixer. 4 sounds. Okay, have a go at writing it on your whiteboard. There we go. I'm sure you can all do X at the end. Mixer. Okay, if you are wondering what our last picture here is, I tell you that this is a herd of elephants. A herd of elephants. And herd is the word we are going to sound out. So together, let's put our hands together. Herd. Let's count the sounds. Herd. 3 sounds in that word. Have a go at writing it on your whiteboard. There you go. You can see it there. Let's put the sound buttons on this one. Herd. Okay, a herd of elephants. All right, so Well done to you if you got those correct. I'm going to give you a tick on your whiteboard if you got the R sounds correct, a tick on your whiteboard if you got the OR sounds correct, and a tick on your whiteboard if you got the sounds correct. Okay, well done to you. Okay, so remembering those 3 sounds that we've learned today, and I'm going to write them here for you to remind us while we're doing the next activity. We have OR, we have R, and we have Okay, so 3 digraphs. All right, so to apply our knowledge here, we have some aliens, and I am going to segment and blend the aliens' names for you, and I would like you to spell their names correctly on your whiteboards. So we're going to start with this guy here, okay? His name is Lork. This is Lork. Watch me segment it, and then I would like you to write it on your whiteboard. Ork, Lork. Have a go at writing Lork's name. Okay, so let me write Lork's name for you. Ork, Lork. There we go. Okay, then we're going to come over to this guy that is also waving to us here. Over here, his is here. This guy is waving. His name is Top. Top. Let me segment that for you. Top. Top. Okay, see if you can write his name. Okay, I'm going to write it here for you. So this is T-R-P, Tarp. His name is Tarp. Okay, and the next alien I would like to introduce you to is this guy down here with his 5 legs, okay? 5 legs down here. His name is Gurdon. Gurdon. This is a tricky one because there are lots of syllables. So watch me segment it. G-d-n. Gurdon. Okay, I'm going to count the sounds for you in this one. G-d-n. 5 sounds you're looking for. Write it on your whiteboard. Gurdon. What a funny name. Okay, let me write his name for you here. G-d-n. Gurdon. His name is Gurdon. Okay, and there's just one more alien I would like to introduce you to today. Well done if you've had a go at spelling these words correctly. I want to introduce you to my friend over here. Okay, his name is Porse. Porse. P-orse. Porse. Okay, see if you can write his name on your whiteboard. Porse. Let me write it for you. P-orse. Porse. His name is Porse. Okay, guys, you might have realised that the alien names are actually nonsense words. They are not real words. But what you have practiced is listening to somebody say a word and segment that word, and you have been able to blend it and spell it correctly. So if you got any of those right, you can give yourself a tick on your whiteboard. Well done to you. So not only can we spell now lots of words using the R, or, and sound, we've also practiced our blending and segmenting skills with our aliens. Okay, everybody, that is the end of our Phase 3 phonics lesson today. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Bye.